your EVS teacher, and the chapter number is 6. I'll be teaching you the lesson which is our neighborhood. I repeat once again, it is our neighborhood. I hope you must have watched my previous video in that which I have explained you about the neighborhood and their services, right? So the neighborhood is what? Do you have any idea about this term? Yes, that is the people staying nearby around you. So they are called your neighborhood, okay? And in some sort of occasions or function, when you celebrate your birthdays and any festival, so these neighbors come in contact with you, and you all celebrate these functions with them very happily, like Garba and Holi and birthday festivals and Diwali also. So you all celebrate these festivals with your neighbors, okay? And in the sort of emergency also, before your family members come, these neighbors help you at that sort of the emergency. There are some neighborhood services, so let me explain you about that, which I have explained you in the previous chapter. I would like to revise you in this video. I have taught you about your neighborhood. Let me explain about the neighborhood services. The first one in your textbook, it is mentioned about the market. What is the market? Yes, it is a place where you can purchase your daily goods need, whatever you do in your daily life, like milk, fruits, vegetables, pulses and books and pen, whatever you need in your daily life, you can purchase from this market. It is nearby your house, and this is a service provided you in your neighborhood. So it is a place where you can purchase your daily goods, okay? The next mention here is the hospital. So here in this place, doctors and nurses do their duty to help you when you are sick. When you are sick, you go to the hospital and consult a doctor what to do, and you tell them your problem, and they would provide you certain medicines and injections. So, and they also advise you what to do and what not to do. Nowadays, we are facing the COVID-19. It is a pandemic situation where these people sacrifices their life to save our life. So they have a very important role nowadays too, and forever also. So coming to the next page, that is the police station, right? So in that police station, so wherever you go there, you can complain about the fault things going nearby you. If you find any guilt nearby your house, अगर आपको कुछ गलत दिखाई दे रहा है, तो आप यहाँ पे जाके कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं. तो these policemen and policewomen are there in the police station to provide you some help and to take care of the safety and of your neighbors also. So they are here to follow the rules and to ensure that you also live a safety life. Let me explain you about the other services. The bank. This is a financial institution. Okay. So this is a financial institution where you can borrow or deposit the money. The people working here, they are called the bank employees. Okay. So we can keep our money and jewelry in the bank. If you have any valuables, so you can keep in the safe custody or in the bank. Like if you have any gold, अगर आपके पास गोल्ड है तो आप बैंक के लॉकर में भी रख सकते हो. You can deposit the money also over here. In the bank, the functions is they can grant loan and they can accept the deposit also, and they can do all the transactions using your debit card and using your credit card with the help of the ATM machine. ATM machine is what? Yes, it is the automated teller machine. Here with the help of this machine, you can do the cash transactions using your debit card and using your credit card. आप इस मशीन के जरिए पैसे निकाल सकते हैं और डिपॉजिट भी कर सकते हैं. Banks also lend money to people to buy a house. As I have told you, banks grant loans. ये loans provide करते हैं. अगर आपको हाउस परचेज करना है, ये कार परचेज करना है, या बड़ी कोई कंपनी आपके पास है, उसमें कोई आपको फर्म है, so you need money, so you can ask the bank for the loan, and after the some long process, so they would provide the loans. Okay, a car or to the study. Many neighborhoods, बहुत सारे neighborhoods में क्या है, ATM machine है. When you can't go to the bank to withdraw or to deposit money, main is the withdrawal of the money. When you can't go to the cash, you are in search of these machines. It is the ATM. So here you go there. It is a automatic machines. It is an electronic machine too that allows people to take money out from the bank any time. आप उसमें अपना डेबिट कार्ड या फिर क्रेडिट कार्ड डाल के उस मशीन में से कैश को विड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. Coming to our next neighborhood service, it is the park. So why do we go to the park? Yes, to feel the fresh air. We go to the park to play and to do the exercise. In the early morning, people used to go here for have a nice walk and to talk with each other. Some people go there to meet and talk to others. As I told you, because of the fresh air, people love to go there and spend their spare time over there. And in the park, you can find some swings and slides also, even fountains also, and even animals you can see in some national park. So this place is full of nature, and we people enjoy there and feel the nature. And there are no more pollutions in the morning when you go to the park, and you can go there for the play also. Some people go there to meet and talk to others. Some people, they have a wonderful time in the park. Parks are big places with plants and trees. As you have seen, parks include benches, statues, fountain. Fountain में जो फुवारा होता है वो benches आपको मिल सकते हैं. वहाँ पर slides, झूले होते हैं और वहाँ पर पेड़ पौधे होते हैं, benches है, fountains है, and statues also, even animals also you can see in the park, in some national park also. Have swings and slides for the children to play. Where people, they, you know what they have mentioned here, they are the big places with plants and trees, okay, as you know earlier. And here the people enjoy fresh air. As you know, I have mentioned that in the morning you can get the fresh air in the park. Some parks have slides and swings, झूले हैं, जैसे अभी आपको मैंने बताया है, and for the children to play over there. So you can spend a wonderful time in the park. When you have a spare time, the people go there to talk with each other and to enjoy the nature. Now let me explain you about the next neighborhood services. It is about the fire stations. Here fire brigaders work here to put out the fire or whenever somebody is in danger. If a building or in our neighborhood catches fire, we call the fire station. As I have explained you now, if there is a fire in our neighborhood, so we call the fire station. People who puts out fire are called firefighters. As I told you, they come in a fire engine. As you have seen the fire engine, it is red in color to be visible to the people. So that why it is red in color. So now telling about the firefighters. They wear a bulky uniform. No, it is a personal protective equipment. That is, it is a coat and a pant. It is made of several layers of many fabrics. You know, अलग-अलग fabrics, एक खास fabric होता है, उनसे इनकी ड्रेस बनी जाती है और बहुत सारे उसमें layers होते हैं to protect them from fires and flames. Okay, so when they wear this uniform, it is a PPE. It is the personal protective equipment. This make them look very large. ये एक bulky clothing है. Bulky means बड़ा, एक बड़ा सा ड्रेस ये वेयर करते हैं to protect themselves from the flames and the fire. So this dress make them look very large. About the firefighters, I have explained you about their dress, their clothing. It is a bulky wear. Okay. Now I will be teaching you about their boots. They are wearing three types of special boots. The first one is the station boots. These boots are worn in the station, means when there is a non-fire call, and they are in black in color, so it's a safety for their clothes. They don't wear these boots when there is a fire. The second type of boots, it's the bunker or the torn-out boots. Means it is the boots which is very expensive. It is made of leather and it is very lighter. And in the cold weather it is very warmer and it is also comfortable to wear. ये जो boots है वो leather से बने हुए हैं और काफी हल्के होते हैं और comfortable होते हैं और इट इज वेन इट्स worn in urban फायर फाइटिंग। जब बहुत फायर होती है तब ये बूट्स पहनते हैं फायर फाइटर्स। इट इज कॉल्ड द बंकर बूट्स। इट्स मेड ऑफ लेदर, ओके, एंड इट इज वेरी लाइटर एंड वेरी कंफर्टेबल and it's very expensive. And the last one is in cold weather this is very warm. The third type of boots is the wildland firefighting boots. These boots are worn in rough terrain, means जहाँ पर जंगल में आग लगती है, जहाँ इनको कई दिनों तक ये शूज पहनने पड़ते हैं। शूज नहीं है, boots, where they have to wear these boots for many days and for the long time, and they carry with them axe and many more things. एंड when they are exhausted, मीन जब ये थक जाते हैं तो ये शूज इनको रिलैक्स करते हैं। एंड इट इज मेड अप ऑफ हेवी लेदर। सो व्हेन देयर इज अ फायर इन अ जंगल और व्हेन इट्स अ हाई फायर, इट्स लाइक अ wild land fire fighting, mean they have to wear these boots for such a long time and for many days. So these boots, which is made up of heavy leather, comfort them. So what we have learned about the firefighters, they rescue the people and the pet also who have stuck in the building which has caused fire. Okay, they help everybody, and their engine is made up of, they come in the fire brigade, right? It is the red in color and they wear the blue uniform and they wear the boots. They wear the special boots. One is the station boots when there is a non-fire call, and the next one is the bunker boots which is made up of leather, which is lighter and which is comfortable, जो हल्के होते हैं और बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं, जो इनको पैरों में कंफर्ट दे सकें, वो है बंकर बूट्स। एंड द थर्ड वन इज द वाइल्ड लैंड फायर फाइटिंग बूट्स। ये बूट्स तब पहनते हैं जब इनको घंटों और कई दिनों तक आग के साथ लड़ना पड़े। सो व्हेन दे हैव टू फाइट विद द फायर फॉर मेनी डेज, so they have to wear these wildland firefighting boots because they are made up of heavy leather. These boots they have made with heavy leather and they give them comfort when they are exhausted. जब ये थक जाते हैं तो ये boots इनको comfort देते हैं। I think you have understand about the firefighters and the fire brigade. उसमें आप देख सकते हो बेल होते हैं जो बेल बजाते जाते हैं ताकि उनको जो ट्रैफिक है क्लियर हो जाए। And it is red in color so that it is visible to the people, and they wear a helmet also, special boots, and the clothing is very bulky. Bulky means काफी बड़ा, वो bulky इसके लिए पहनते हैं। It is made up of special fabrics and it is of many layers just to protect themselves from the fire and the flames. So it is the bulky clothing, it is a PPE, personal protective equipment. Now come, let's learn about the post office. So what is the post office? Here in the post office, who works? The postman works. In this post office we can buy the stamps, the letters and the parcels also. So we go here and post the letters in the post box in front of the post office. Postman goes there and collects from this post box and it delivers to the proper destination. As I taught you in my earlier video, this postman plays an important role. Nowadays, there are social media, we have many sort of communication. So since now, postman also plays a very important role, okay? Because he wears a khaki uniform and he travels in his bicycle from door to door and from step to step. He has to work day and night 24 hours for the whole year. No matter whatever is the season, कोई भी सीजन हो, गर्मी हो, सर्दी हो या बारिश हो, ये 24 घंटे काम करते हैं. So he is working very hard and he plays an important role now also in our day-to-day life. I hope you have thorough with this lesson and with the neighborhood services which I have taught you. Refer this video and we would provide you homework in our group. Okay, and we will interact you soon in our online session for your further queries and homework. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye everybody.